In this video, there is a brief information about APJ Abdul Kalam. Abul Pakir Jalaluddin Abdul Kalam. Born on 15th October 1931, Rameswaram, India. Died on the July 27th of 2015. Shillong. Indian scientist and a politician who played a leading role in the development of India's missile and nuclear weapons programs. He was the President of India from 2002 to 2007. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's involvement in the nuclear powers in the India earned him the title Missile Man of India. Due to his contribution, the Government of India awarded him the highest civilian award. He was the 11th President of India and elected against the Lakshmi Sehgal in 2002. Before becoming the President of India, he worked with the Indian Space Research Organizations and Defense Research and Development Organization. Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO) and Defense Research and Development Organization (DRDO) as an aerospace engineer. He was known as the Missile Man of India for his important role in the mentioned civilian space programs and military missiles development. Also in 1998, he made a significant contribution to India's Pokhran-2 nuclear test. Kalam was the youngest of the 5 siblings, the eldest of whom was a sister, Asim Zora, followed by the 3 eldest brothers, Muhammad, Muthu, Mira, Lebai, Marikayar. Second, Mustafa Kalam and Qasim Muhammad. He was extremely close to his elder siblings and their extended families throughout his life and would regularly send small sums of money to his older relations, himself remaining a lifelong bachelor. On the 18th June, Kalam filled his nominations papers in India's parliament, accompanied by Vajpayee and his senior cabinet colleagues. The polling for the president elections began on the 15th July 2002. The parliament and the state assemblies, with the media claiming that the elections was a one-sided affair and Kalam's victory was a forged collection. The count was held on the 18th July. Kalam became the 11th president of Republic of India in an easy victory and moved in the Rashtrapati Bhavan. After he was sworn in the 25th of July, Kalam was the 3rd President of India to have been honored with the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian honor, before becoming the President. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishna at the 1954 and Dr. Zakir Hussain in the 1963 were the earlier recipients of the Bharat Ratna who later became the President of India. After the graduation from the Madras Institutions of the Technology in the 1960, Kalam joined the Aeronautical Development Establishment of the Defense Research and Development Organizations as a scientist after becoming a member of the Defense Research and Development Service. He started his career by designing a small hovercraft, but remained unconvinced by his choice of the job at the DRDO. Kalam was also part of the INCOSPAR committee working under the Vikram Sarabhai, the renowned space scientist. In the 1969, Kalam was transferred to the Indian Space Research Organization, where he was the project director of the India's first satellite launch vehicle SLV-3, which successfully deployed the Rohini satellite in the near-Earth orbit in the July 1980. Kalam had first started a work on an expendable rocket project and independently at DRDO in 1965. In 1969, Kalam received the government's approval and expanded the program to include more engineers. In 1963, to 1964, he visited NASA's Langley Research Center and Hampton, Virginia, Goddard Space Flight Center in Greenbelt, Maryland, and Warp Flight Facilities. Between the 1970s and the 1990s, Kalam made an effort to develop the Polar Satellite Launches Vehicle PSLV and SLV-3 projects. Both of the vehicles proved to be successful. Awards. In 1981, Padma Bhushan, Government of India. 1990, Padma Vibhushan, Government of India. 1997, Bharat Ratna, Government of India. 1997, Indira Gandhi Award for National Integration, Government of India. 1998, Veer Savarkar Award, Government of India. 2000, Sastra Ramanujan Prize. 2013, Von Braun Award, National Space Society.